Hello everyone, welcome back to day 208 of our daily vlog journey. I hope you are all doing amazing. Today was one of simplest and normal Saturdays where nothing exciting, nothing extraordinary happened, but honestly, these are the days that makes up real life. Not every day has to be exciting or filled with adventures. Uh, someone someone sometimes it's just about showing up, spending time with family, helping out, staying productive, and enjoying the little moments. So let's get into how my day went. The day actually started little rough because my sleep got disturbed around 7 or 8 p.m, 7 or 8 a.m. There was a lot of noises at home because some work was going on, so I couldn't sleep peacefully. Thankfully, after all that disturbance, I managed to fall asleep. Yeah, so I managed to fall asleep again and finally wake up around 10 a.m. As soon as I got up, I didn't waste much time. I quickly got ready because I had stayed to the shop to help my father. There was uh, there was quite a bit of work waiting there. We had to like shift goods from one place to another, unpack some items, packing others, and organizing everything properly before the start of the new season of festivals. I wasn't about it. It wasn't anything glamorous, but helping family feels meaningful. I stayed there until around 12 p.m. and then by we had finished most of the work. After coming back, I freshened up once again and took a bath because it was pretty hot and I had already done a bit of physical work. Then I headed back to the shop. This time I stayed there so my father could go home and have his lunch peacefully. Around 1 p.m., yeah, 1 p.m., he returned to the shop and I continued helping until about 2 p.m. before finally heading home myself. After getting back, I had my lunch, finally got some time to relax, I say. The rest of the afternoon was pretty chill. I spent most of it watching The Office season 4. I'm really enjoying the series so far. It has so many funny and random moments that can instantly improve your mood. It's like kind of that show which can just sit back, relax, enjoy without thinking too much. Talking about in the evening, I decided to make some soup and tea. Cooking small things like this has slowly become something I generally enjoy. I love cooking. It's relaxing in a own way, and it feels nice making something yourself instead of always depending on someone else. So around 7 p.m., it was time for my workout. Today workout felt a little different because I was alone. Usually my twin brother is there, and we have spent months working out together, motivating each other and just enjoying that routine side by side. And now that he's started his corporate journey and moved away, uh, the workout feels quieter. It is still isn't fully sunk in that he's not here anymore, but life moves forward. So I finished my workout by myself until around 8 p.m. It wasn't easy mentally, but showing up is what matters. Some days motivationally high, some days it's isn't, but consistency always wins. Consistency over motivation. So after the workout, I came back downstairs and spent the rest of my evening with the family. I We talked, relaxed, had dinner together, and enjoy each other's company until around 10 p.m. And now here I am sitting in front of the camera recording this vlog. Overall, it wasn't a very exciting day, but it was a peaceful one, which I hardly get sometime, hardly getting nowadays. Sometimes these calm days are extremely what we need before a busy schedule begins again. Tomorrow is going to be much more challenging day, and I will definitely share everything that happens in tomorrow vlogs. Tomorrow I need to wake up around 6 p.m., 6 in the morning, 6 a.m. Yet if you have made it till the end, thank you so much for watching and supporting this journey. Every like, every comment, every subscription motivates me to keep documenting my life one day at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me how your Saturday went. I'll see you tomorrow with day 209. Until then, take care, stay happy, keep smiling. Tata, bye bye.